Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Arabic ebook before it's gone.
Hi everyone, I am Perihan and this is Top 10 Must-Know Vocabulary for the Restaurant. Let's get started. Waiter. Waiter. The first word is waiter. Waiter. And in Egypt, sometimes we call it garçon or الصبي. الصبي. الصبي means the boy. For example, you can say هقول للويتر يجيب منديل. هقول للويتر يجيب منديل. I'll ask the waiter to get some napkins. سلطة. Salad. سلطة. سلطة. Salad. عايز سلطة. عايز سلطة. And usually, when everything is chaotic, like when everything is so confusing and you don't know what's going on, you say is salata di? Is salata di? What kind of salad is that? Everything is so messed up and you don't know what's going on. Just like a salad. Menu. 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 For example, you can say ممكن المنيو. ممكن المنيو. Can I have the menu? يطلب. To order. يطلب. يطلب. To order. هنطلب دلوقتي. هنطلب دلوقتي. We will order now. The next one is مية. Water. مية. مية. Water. For example, ممكن مية لو سمحت. ممكن مية لو سمحت. May I have some water please? الحلو. Dessert. الحلو. الحلو. Dessert. For example, menu الحلو لو سمحت. menu الحلو لو سمحت. The dessert menu please. Chef. 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 Which means chef. For example, الشيف بتاع الفندق ده ممتاز. الشيف بتاع الفندق ده ممتاز. This hotel's chef is excellent. وجبات سريعة. Fast food. وجبات سريعة. وجبات سريعة. Fast food. For example, مش بحب الوجبات السريعة. مش بحب الوجبات السريعة. I don't like fast food. مطعم. Restaurant. مطعم. مطعم. Restaurant. For example, جربت المطعم ده قبل كده؟ جربت المطعم ده قبل كده؟ Did you try this restaurant before? فاتورة. Bill. فاتورة. فاتورة. Bill. For example, you can say عايز الفاتورة لو سمحت. عايز الفاتورة لو سمحت. I want the bill please. Sometimes in Egypt you can see or do this gesture to refer to the bill as well that you wanted. Thank you so much for watching. Why don't you comment below about the word you use the most when you go to the restaurant? Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our website, ArabicPod101.com. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, I am Perihan and this is the Egyptian Arabic Weekly Words. So let's get on with our topic. Today's topic is about vegetables. So let's get started. بصل. Onion. For example, you can say تقشير البصل بيخليك تعيط. تقشير البصل بيخليك تعيط. Peeling onions make you cry. بطاطس. And that's potatoes. في مصر صينية البطاطس من أشهر المأكولات. في مصر صينية البطاطس من أشهر المأكولات. In Egypt, potato casserole is a very famous meal. And in Egypt, we make potato casserole with potatoes, of course, and then tomato sauce and meat, and you just put it in the oven until it's sweet and red and hot. Very, very tasty. Thaum, garlic, or in the dialect, it's tom. And you can say في الأساطير التوم بيحمي الناس من مصاصين الدماء, for example. So in English, it could be usually in myth. Garlic is used to protect people from vampires. جزر. Carrots. And you can simply say الأرانب بتحب الجزر. الأرانب بتحب الجزر. And that means rabbits love carrots. قرنبيط. Or in the dialect it's أرنبيط. And that's cauliflower. أنا ما بحبش الأرنبيط بس بحب أكل broccoli. أنا ما بحبش الأرنبيط بس بحب أكل broccoli. And that means I don't like cauliflowers but I love broccoli. It's such a shame because in Egypt broccoli is not very common. And that's it for today. I hope you liked the lesson, and why don't you comment below about your favorite or least favorite vegetables. I will see you next time. Don't forget to check out our websites. Bye bye. Ogres are like onions. I hope you'll see. Oh, that was so good. I ruined that. Hi everyone, I'm Prihan and this is the Arabic Top Words. Today we're going to talk about 10 Egyptian foods. Basbousa. Basbousa. The first Egyptian food is basbousa. Basbousa. Basbousa is made of corn flour and then you put some sugar and nuts and then you put it in the oven and after that you put honey and lemon on it, on top of it, and it's really really sweet. For a sentence you can for example say النهاردة الحلو بسبوسة. النهاردة الحلو بسبوسة. Today's dessert is basbousa. بيض بالبسطرمة. Egg with pastrami. The next word is بيض بالبسطرمة. Eggs with pastrami. For example you can say هنفطر بيض بالبسطرمة. هنفطر بيض بالبسطرمة. We'll have eggs with pastrami for breakfast. حلاوة طحينية. حلاوة. The next one is حلاوة طحينية. حلاوة. In Egypt we usually use the word halawa, but the tahina part is actually to address this kind, like the type of halawa. In the Middle East we make halawa out of sesame paste. For example you can say بحب الحلاوة طحينية. I like halawa. حمام محشي. Rice stuffed pigeon. The next word is حمام محشي. حمام محشي. Rice stuffed pigeons. For example you can say هنتغدى النهاردة حمام محشي. We will eat rice stuffed pigeons for lunch. شوربة عدس. Lentil soup. شوربة عدس. Lentil soup. For example you can say شوربة العدس بتدفي في الشتاء. Lentil soup keep you warm in winter. Lentil soup in Egypt is very traditional dish. You can eat it with bread, you can eat it with rice, and you can even eat it with pasta. But mostly we eat it with bread. You just cut the bread apart and you just put it in the soup and you stir a little bit and it's so delicious. طاجن بامية. Okra طاجن. طاجن بامية. Okra طاجن. For example you can say طاجن بامية لو سمحت. Okra طاجن please. I don't know why, but nobody likes bamia, like nobody likes okra, especially children. And when like a mom wants to punish her children and she cannot really do anything about it, she's like, okay, for lunch I'm going to make you some okra. I'm going to make you some bamia. And everyone's like, no. Fatta. Fatta. The next one is fatta, which means fatta. It's also a traditional Egyptian food. For example, you can say في عيد الأضحى بناكل fatta. In Eid al-Adha, we eat fatta. Fatta is a traditional dish we usually make especially for that day, for the Eid al-Adha day. It's about this big and it's rice and on top of it there is bread and then some tomato sauce and then you put like huge, like big chunks of meat, like this much, one chunk of meat, like all around the, I don't know, you just put lots of meat because it's a meat feast. فول وطعمية. فول and falafel. فول وطعمية. Full and falafel. Full is full beans and falafel is made of full beans as well, mixed with corn, some veggies, some like green stuff, I don't know its name, and eggs, and you mix them all in a blender and then you fry it. You just fry this full paste, full bean paste. It's a traditional breakfast for Egyptians. Like usually they just, for breakfast they almost always have full and falafel. But it's not good because it makes you get into food coma at 7 o'clock in the morning. For example, you can say هعزمك على فول وطعمية. I'll invite you to eat full and falafel. كشري. كشري. The next word is كشري. كشري. Also, it's one of the most famous traditional food and it's very similar to fatta except that it doesn't have meat inside, or it doesn't have as much meat as fatta does, but it's also starting with a base, like rice as a base, and then some rice as a base and then some fried bread, and on top of it there is the tomato sauce, fried onion and some lentil and maybe minced meat as well. But I don't know, I think the inexpensive one, the cheap one, is without meat and the expensive one is with meat. But it's very, like, overall it's very inexpensive meal. You can have it on the go. For example, you can say الكشري من أكتر الأكلات اللي بحبها. كشري is one of my favorite food. مسقعة. مسقعة. The next word is مسقعة. مسقعة is basically طاجن, but instead of bamia, instead of okra, we use eggplants. also with minced meat and some tomato sauce and garlic, and mostly just like okra tajin. Mostly children don't like it, and mostly it's served as a punishment. I really don't like it. For example, you can say المسقعة دسمة قوي. مسقعة is very fatty. That's it for today. I hope you liked it. Why don't you tell us in the comments below about your favorite traditional Egyptian food dish? Also, don't forget to comment and subscribe and visit our website arabicpod101.com. Bye bye.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shayma. Welcome to Arabic Weekly Words again. Let's find out today's or this week's topic. Moroccan or famous Moroccan foods. وكان المغربية مشهور. First word, of course, tagine. Who comes to Morocco and doesn't get that? Tagine, we say the same word in Fusha and Darija, and foreign people use also the same word. Tagine المفضل عندي هو طاجين اللحم بالبرقوق. My favorite tagine is beef and prunes with some almonds too. Next word, bstila. This word means pastilla. It's a good thing. في المغرب عندنا البسطيلة بالدجاج والبسطيلة بالحوت. In Morocco we have chicken pastilla, which is sweet, and fish pastilla, which is also great. Next word, couscous. Of course you know this word, couscous. في المغرب كناكلو كسكسو كل جمعة. In Morocco we eat couscous every Friday, not every day. Next word, tangia. Tangia. I'm not translating because they are the same words in Fusha, in Darija, and in English. Tangia هي أكلة مراكشية بامتياز. الطنجية is a Marrakshi dish. Next word is harira. Harira means soup, but like Moroccan soup is called harira. In Ramadan we have harira every day. في رمضان كنشربوا الحريرة كل نهار. That was it for food. I'll see you next week. Salama.
Hi everyone, my name is Perihan and this is the Egyptian Arabic Weekly Words. So today's theme is fruits, الفاكهة. As you know, I'm from Egypt and the most popular fruits we have there is oranges and bananas, mainly because they are cheap. So if you want to know how to say your favorite fruit in Arabic, please keep on watching. البرقوق, plum. البرقوق, plum. جدتي بتعرف تعمل مربى برقوق لذيذة. جدتي بتعرف تعمل مربى برقوق لذيذة. My grandma can make a delicious plum jam. شمام, melon. شمام, melon. رحت للسوبر ماركت واشتريت شمامة. رحت للسوبر ماركت واشتريت شمامة. I went to the supermarket and I bought a melon. تفاح, apple. تفاح, apple. التفاح مفيد للصحة. التفاح مفيد للصحة. Apples are good for the health, and as you know, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. المانجا, mango. المانجا, that is mango, as you can guess. صديقتي من الفلبين جابت لي مانجا فلبينية. صديقتي من الفلبين جابت لي مانجا فلبينية. My friend from the Philippines bought me a Filipino mango, which is very delicious. Please try it. الموز, banana. الموز, banana. الموز أرخص أنواع الفاكهة. الموز أرخص أنواع الفاكهة. Bananas are the cheapest kind of fruit. So the word banana is actually of an Arabic origin, and banan, it means basically a finger. So because Arabs thought that bananas are just like fingers, so they just called it banan or banana. So I hope you like this lesson. This is the end of it. And please comment below about your favorite fruit in Arabic, and don't forget to subscribe and visit our websites. Thank you. Bye-bye. And I would like just to share with you that my favorite fruit is strawberry because, you know, my name is Perihan. Come on. I cannot English, please. Hi everyone, I am Perihan and this is the Egyptian Arabic Weekly Words. So let's see today's topic. Today's topic is about flavors. تذوق, يدوق, to taste. تذوق, to taste. And in the dialect it's يدوق. So for example, you can say ممكن أدوق عينة قبل ما أطلب الطبق, and that in English means can I please taste a sample before I order the dish? حامض, sour, حامض, and that means sour. So this is gonna be an easy one. What is the most sour thing? It's lemon. الليمون حامضي جدا. الليمون حامضي جدا, and that means lemons are very sour. حلو, sweet. الحلويات الشعبية في مصر حلوة جدا. الحلويات الشعبية في مصر حلوة جدا. Egyptian desserts are very sweet. مالح, مملح, salty. مالح, salty. And in the dialect you can say مالح or you can say مملح. So for example you can say في شم النسيم أو عيد الفصح دايما بناكل سمك مملح. في شم النسيم أو عيد الفصح دايما بناكل سمك مملح. And in English that is, on Easter we always eat salty fish. You have to tie your hair back because it's so smelly and you just like مر, bitter, مر, bitter. And in the dialect it's the same, مر. So for example you can say القهوة السادة دايما مرة. القهوة السادة دايما مرة. Or in English you can say black coffee is always bitter. Yay. And then so that's it for today. I hope you liked the lesson and please comment below about your favorite taste and don't forget to check our website. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Yeah, actually I love bear coffee, so I just like I'm gonna enjoy it. So that was good. That was so good.
Great work. Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description. Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Arabic ebook before it's gone.